I got in on Lily's birthday party box with 11 full-size K-beauty products plus 3 free gifts at an almost 75% discount. Let's dive in. The first free gift is this Mediheal Retinol Collagen Ampoule Lifting Mask. This is the Isntree Green Tea Fresh Cleanser. It's a gel cleanser. The green tea extract is sourced from Jeju. It's paraben-free, sulfate-free, cruelty-free, alcohol-free, and fragrance-free. Next is the face cream. This is the Dive In Soothing Cream by Torriden. It's got hyaluronic acid, it's clean and vegan with recycled packaging, and it's also free of parabens, sulfates, alcohols, and fragrances. This next item I'm pulling out is from Skin 1004. It's the Madagascar Centella Water Fit Sun Serum made with hyaluronic acid and pure Centella from Madagascar. It's SPF 50+, PA quadruple plus, and make sure you apply it 15 to 20 minutes before sun exposure, okay? Skin 1004 also gave me a free sample of their Tone Brightening Capsule Ampoule, also made with pure Centella from Madagascar. And then there's this Retinol Volume Lip Serum by Primera. The shiny packaging is not helping me right now, sorry. This is a plant-derived collagen lip plumper, and supposedly it works better in plumping your lips the more you use it. This is in the shade Rosy, which looks like a great fit for warm-toned skin like mine, so I'm excited to try it out. Here we have the Kahi Wrinkle Bounce Multi Balm, which is a moisturizing lip balm, eye cream, neck cream, and makeup-based combo for radiance and hydration for that dewy look. Who here saw my Mixsoon haul video? Okay, I didn't mention it there, but I totally forgot to pick up the bean essence in my haul, which I was so mad at myself about, and it was a complete coincidence that this was included in this box. You're supposed to be able to use this bean essence to feel the excess sebum and dead skin cells when you use this. I've never actually tried this brand of pimple patches. These are enriched with tea tree oil. There's 30 10mm patches and 12 12mm patches. This tube is the last free gift of this box. It's the Mary&May Sensitive Soothing Gel. It has an instant cooling effect, deep moisturization, treats inflammation, and refines pores. I was super intrigued when I saw this product on Lily's Instagram, so I'm so glad she included it here. It's as if a nose strip stepped up its game with a couple of extra steps. The black Q-tip thingies are used to scrape off blackheads and sebum in between steps 1 and 2. Okay, back to Skin 1004, Centella Quick Calming Pads. These are 70 toner pads infused with 49% Centella Asiatica extract. The packaging is pretty secure and it comes with a separate lid and tongs. Alright, couple more items. This is another Mary&May product. It's cruelty-free. It's an antioxidant-enriched eye cream for a brighter looking eye area. They say in addition to the eye area, you can also apply it to blemishes and dark spots to address those areas too. This one looks cool. It's the Cica Collagen Lifting Cream from Bewants. It has a flat roller massage applicator to help hydrate and firm for youthful skin on the neck, face, and below the collarbone. Okay, that was everything. Random question. Does anyone else put everything back in the box so you can feel like you're unboxing it again for the first time again later? Just curious if that's just me. Okay. All of these items are new to me, so post in the comments which of these products you'd like to learn more about and check the description for the full product list.